So welcome to today's session. I'm going to share my screen here, screen number 3. This is for the Chamber Marketplace support call. Happens on a weekly basis. And if you're not able to attend in person, we record them and post them all at repstaragencies.com/Chamber Market. You can see here the past sessions that we've had are all posted. And today, my goal today is to do two things. Number one is introduce you to a new team member, Jeremiah, that's just joined the team in the last couple of weeks. And then I will go and show how you can use, as a business, how you can use the Chamber Marketplace to promote things that are no cost or free. So not all businesses sell products or widgets or services. Sometimes what you have to sell is a consultation, like a mortgage broker, or maybe you have an event that is free. You still want to be able to list it and promote it as a $0 product in the marketplace. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So Jeremiah, welcome to the team and welcome to these weekly support sessions.
Thank you, Mark. I'm not sure if anybody was if you guys were on the call previously, but I'm here to provide support to all the chambers. And if there's any questions or anything you guys need help with, add me to the Trello card or tag me on it. Ask away any time of the day, or I'm usually awake until 11 at night, so until 11.
Awesome. So Jeremiah brings a very valuable all-around skill set to the team, not only in project management, but he also has hands-on developer skills as well. So welcome to the team. Thanks, Jeremiah. So today, can you guys see my screen right now? Okay, good. So I'm going to walk through, first of all, I'm going to log out so that you can see the steps. So I am a business. I will role play like I'm a business that it has something to market and promote, but I don't have nothing to sell. So I go to my local chambers group webpage. In this instance, I'm using the Southeast Commerce Group for the example, which is my local chamber that I belong to. I already have an account, but if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Start Selling and then apply with your local chamber, wherever you're at, to get an e-commerce web store. Those steps are covered in previous videos that you can find at repstaragencies.com/chamber market. So I'm going to log in to my account. So this is my business account as a merchant wanting to sell things. This was just an example post that we've done a while back on if you have used office furniture as an example that you'd like to get rid of. That's an example of something that you could put in there. So if I go to my account settings and I want to manage my business, and I'm clicking on products and services, and I want to add a product. Okay. So under the product name, I'm going to just create it as an example. So I'm going to put example listing of a $0 amount product or service. And I'm going to put a description that this can be used to schedule a meeting, an event, or a consultation that has a zero cost to it. Some examples are mortgage brokers, or if you're doing client discovery calls, if you want to book an appointment, if you're promoting a webinar or an event. Category, it's a business service. And the primary image, I will go and choose $0. I've pre-created these already. We'll just use the consultation free image. And under the tag, consult. The reason why you want to have tags is if somebody from your local community goes on your chamber marketplace and they search for mortgage broker as an example, if this would be a mortgage broker, it will come up in the search for them. So now here you can see I put $0.00 as the price for this event. and I go to click on save. And now if I go to the chamber that I belong to on their page, you should see that being listed right here. Okay. So now I will act like if I am a consumer and I want to get a mortgage broker audit as an example, okay, which is a $0 service that mortgage brokers will provide. So I come to the chamber that I belong to in my community and I see this and I add it to the cart, just like if I'm buying. You'll see here in the top corner, it has one new item in the cart. I'll click on that cart and I click on next and I place the order. So that completes the whole process. So I've just quote unquote sold a consultation service as the business to this local person who is in our community through the Chamber Market e-commerce marketplace. Now, if I go into my emails, I'm going to show you what the system will do on confirming. So you will get some email confirmation. Let me just move over here to the other screen. So you will get an email confirmation that says from here, from the system, that this person purchased your product and a copy of the receipt is available if you click on here. So maybe because this is a test, it didn't work, but when I did the other test, it actually worked. Let me go to my next email here. That did not work either. Of course, this is Murphy's Law. So from here, this is, thank you for being part of the Change Channel platform team. Your receipt for your purchase is available. So the consumer will receive this receipt. And then Jeremiah, you might have to help me with that because when I did the first test, it actually showed me.
Yeah, I think it should show you. I'm wondering why it didn't. That's interesting.
Let me just
No,
give me one
have
second
you?
here.
Yep. Oh, could you log in or no? You're logged in. Okay.
Yeah, I'm logged in. Let me just let me check one more thing here.
Yeah.
New purchase on Chamber Channel. Click here.
Maybe you have multiple of the same email.
Yeah, so because I'm using multiple accounts to do multiple demos, it might be the issue. Let me just see here. New purchase on copy of the receipt. Okay, for some reason, it's not linking to the receipt that was dynamically created in real time. But we will add
Oh.
to this. Did you find something, Jeremiah?
I will make sure that that's working. I just want to say that I will definitely contact the devs right now and figure this
Okay.
out. Yep. Thank you.
So it just might be a glitch because I do work in the development version of our platform, and since the Southeast Commerce Group is not yet live, if there's any changes or anything happening to it, it might not behave as it would in a live environment. So let me go back here to manage business. And I will just show you one other thing in products and services. So let's say this was a $0 amount listing for a networking event, okay? And the networking event has passed. You click on the edit button on your product listing and you select under the disabled product, you put disabled, which means the product is saved but not published and is hidden from the marketplace. And that will remove that entry into out of the marketplace. So that concludes this little mini session on this feature. Again, if you want to stay up to date on the Chamber Market features that are being rolled out and get notified when there's new videos on the weekly basis, you could go to repstaragencies.com/Chamber Market, click on the Stay Up to Date on the Chamber Market e-commerce web store mailing list, and add yourself to this emailing list. So that's it for today, and look forward to seeing you guys in next week's session.